everyone, this is Mick and Koi Creations, and now we are going to learn how to create logo with an easy as 1, 2, 3 in steps. Photoshop CS6 Portable. The three major steps are know the company name, background, and preferential logo. Next is know the sites to upload the logo. Third and lastly is to create your logo using Photoshop. The first step, you need to gather all the necessary information, most especially the preference of your client. If your client has preferential or basis or designs, you have to put that into priority. You have to give that more consideration. Okay, and here, I want my logo to be red code with my bonsai. Okay, I'm going to show you my bonsai. You will going to download it on my Instagram account. So guys, if you want to follow me, is Alvarez0819. We're going to use my bonsai picture. So there, I want that to be included on my logo. So next step is know the sites to upload the logo. Yes, of course, you need to know that because social media sites have different dimensions of logo. Here I'm going to use 250 by 250 pixels. It is a square type logo. Don't forget it must be PNG with transparent background. The next step and lastly, we need to create your logo using Photoshop. Yes guys, I'm going to give you free downloadable link for CS6 Photoshop Portable. Means you don't need to install it on your PC or on your computer or on your desktop. You can just save it on your USB and voila, it's portable. You can bring it anywhere you want to. Okay, now let's move on and let's open the Photoshop. Okay, let's choose English United States because it's the only language I can understand. Now let's open. Let's open the downloads. Okay, that's the bonsai from my Instagram account. What I want to do is to remove all the background. Okay, so I already did that, and here it is. I've removed the background using Photoshop. And then I would like to show you the output that I made and how it became like that. Okay, this is the bonsai. I put an overlay red. This is it. I use only effects. As you can see, it's not really 3D, it's just code. Okay, the koi, it's just like that. So now, let's move on. Here it is. The Make and Koi creations and the other ones. So comment down what is best for you. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.